Hey everyone, welcome to the English Tone Podcast, where learning English feels fun, real, and totally doable. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. We're so happy you're here. Today's episode is about the most powerful yet simple daily habit that can literally change your English: speaking every single day.
Why speaking matters. You can read grammar books and watch tutorials forever, but fluency only comes when you use the language. Speaking makes your brain connect thought to sound.
Exactly. Think of it like driving a car. You can't learn to drive by reading the manual. You've got to sit behind the wheel. Same with English. You've got to drive the language.
And remember, mistakes are just part of the road. Silence is the real barrier, not errors.
That's such an important mindset. Don't aim for perfection, aim for expression. So let's make this practical. What can you actually do every day?
Number 1, talk to yourself. Seriously, stand in front of a mirror and say out loud what's happening in your day. I'm making coffee. I have a meeting at 10. I feel excited today.
Number 2, record voice notes on your phone. Listen back after a few days. You'll notice improvement in your tone and clarity.
Number 3, find one friend or family member to exchange short English voice messages. 1 minute a day is enough.
If you do this for a month, you'll already have 30 minutes of real speaking practice. That's progress you can hear.
All right, listeners, let's do a quick live exercise together. Wherever you are, walking, cooking, studying, repeat after us.
I'm learning English,
I make mistakes.
but I'm improving every single day. Now, try saying it all at once. I'm learning English. I make mistakes, but I'm improving every single day.
Feels good, right? That's the sound of progress. Let me share a quick story. I once taught an engineer named Raj. Brilliant guy, but he never spoke a word in class. He said, "I'll start speaking when I'm fluent."
Classic line.
I told him, "You'll become fluent when you start speaking." So we set a rule: 5 minutes of speaking daily. 3 weeks later, he was telling jokes. 3 months later, he was giving presentations at work.
That's what daily action does. Tiny steps, big change.
Let's talk about fear. Most learners worry about what others will think.
Truth is, everyone sounds awkward at first, even native speakers when they learn something new. The goal isn't flawless grammar, it's natural flow.
Next time you slip, smile and say, "Oops, not perfect, but I'll try again." That tiny sentence removes pressure instantly.
Fluency is not about knowing every rule. It's about keeping the conversation alive.
No partner? No problem. Talk to objects. Narrate your actions. Create imaginary conversations.
Make your room your speaking stage. Now, the power of thinking in English.
Don't translate. Train your brain to think directly in English.
Start small. I'm hungry. It's time to work. Gradually, you'll start thinking freely. Next is
Common speaking mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake 1. Overthinking grammar. You can fix it by focusing on flow. Mistake 2. Limited words. You can fix it by replacing very good with awesome, amazing, wonderful.
confidence begins with volume. The more you speak, the more you become confident. Next, let's talk about one of the most powerful solo exercises, mirror talk.
Stand in front of a mirror and look into your own eyes. Start a 1-minute English conversation with yourself. It can be as simple as, "Hi, how are you today?" "I'm fine. I feel a bit tired, but motivated." When you see your own expressions and lips moving, your confidence wiring changes. You're not just speaking words, you're speaking identity. And here's a pro tip: smile while you talk. Smiling relaxes your brain and helps pronunciation flow naturally. Mirror talk builds emotional connection with your English self. After a week, you'll feel like a different person. Next is the power of listening and shadowing.
Now, here's a secret that most learners ignore. Listening is actually a part of speaking practice.
Right. You learn rhythm, pronunciation, and emotional tone through your ears. You can't speak what you can't hear clearly.
Exactly. So every day, give yourself 10 to 15 minutes of active listening. That means really paying attention, not just hearing in the background.
Listen to English podcasts, YouTube interviews, or TED Talks. Pick someone whose tone you admire. Then use the shadowing method. Repeat along as they speak.
It feels strange at first, but it trains your mouth muscles, rhythm, and memory all at once.
Think of it like singing along with your favorite song. Only this time, the song is English conversation.
Here's a mini exercise for our listeners. Step 1, pick a 1-minute clip from a podcast. Step 2, play it and speak along word by word. Step 3, record yourself, listen back, and compare.
If you do this daily for even 1 week, your fluency and confidence will skyrocket. All right, it's time for real action because knowledge without action doesn't change anything.
So here's your English Tone 7-Day Speaking Challenge, designed to push you gently every single day.
Day 1, introduce yourself for 1 minute in English.
Day 2, describe your room or surroundings.
Day 3, talk about your favorite movie or song.
Day 4, share one small life story.
Day 5, speak about your dream or future goal.
Day 6, express your opinion on a topic, like why learning English matters.
And Day 7, record a 2-minute summary of your week.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent.
1 day of speaking won't change your life, but 100 days? That will.
So start today. Speak, listen, repeat, and grow.
Because the more you speak, the more fluent you become.
And the more you practice, the louder your confidence speaks for you.
This is the English Tone Podcast. Your journey to fluency starts today.